Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening your laptop and applying the new thermal paste. Start by powering off your HP 15-B025NS and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will help prevent any electrical issues while you work. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew all the screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back panel using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel off, you will have access to the internal components of your laptop. Now locate the CPU and GPU, which are typically covered by a heatsink. Carefully unscrew the heatsink using your Phillips screwdriver. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the heatsink away from the CPU and GPU. You may notice old thermal paste on the surfaces. This needs to be cleaned off thoroughly. Using a lint-free cloth or coffee filter, apply some isopropyl alcohol to clean the old thermal paste from both the CPU and the heatsink. Ensure that both surfaces are completely clean and free of any residue. This step is crucial for the new thermal paste to adhere properly. Once cleaned, it's time to apply the new thermal paste. Squeeze a small amount of thermal paste onto the center of the CPU. A pea-sized amount is usually sufficient. When you reattach the heatsink, the pressure will spread the paste evenly across the surface. Before reassembling your laptop, take a moment to clean any dust from the internal components using compressed air. This will help improve airflow and cooling efficiency. If you feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your laptop is in good hands. Now, carefully place the heatsink back onto the CPU and GPU, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it in place by tightening the screws, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the components. Next, replace the back panel of your laptop, ensuring all clips are securely fastened. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, and make sure everything is tightly secured. If you need assistance, we provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your laptop serviced without any hassle. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. Monitor the temperatures to ensure that the new thermal paste is working effectively. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Remember, no calls, no travel. We make it simple for you to maintain your device. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the thermal paste on your HP 15-BW025NS, helping to keep your laptop running smoothly and efficiently. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.